Hello everyone, today we will be doing this rising temperature question from the LeetCode easy. So the question is basically, we have a table called weather where we have three columns: ID, record date and temperature, where ID is a unique, and in record date we have a date which is not duplicate also, and in temperature we have a temperature for that particular day. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find the IDs where we have a temperature compared to the higher temperature compared to the last day or previous day. Okay, so here is the example given. Here in the first gen we have 10 temperature, in the second gen we have 25. So the current day temperature is higher than the previous day, so we will see the record 2 in the output. Okay, so next third day we do not have a higher temperature than compared to the previous day, and the fourth day we have higher temperature compared to the previous day. So we will have a 2 and 4 in the output. So what we need to do in that case is we need to join self join weather with the weather, because to compare it with this date or to this temperature with the next temperature, we can join self join and compare it. Okay, now start doing it. Select what we need to do. We need only ID. From table name is weather. So we will have W1 because we will join it twice. Weather W2. Okay, on the basis of what? On the basis of date. So we need to compare this date with this date. So we have a function called DATEDIFF in SQL, DATEDIFF on the basis of day, and then we'll compare W1 record date with the W2 record date, and if the difference is 1, then we will join those records. Okay, so basically what it will do, this record and the difference of these two records is 1, then it will compare this, and if the difference of these two record is 1, then we will compare these two. Okay, and W2 temperature should be greater than W1 temperature. Okay, because W2, so second record temperature should be greater than previous record, and we need to show which record, the second record. So we will show second record ID. So let's try to execute it and see how it works. Perfectly, it works perfectly. So here you can see clearly that we passed this. Now submit this record and see how it works on other cases also. And it worked perfectly with the 15 cases. So congratulations. Now we learned how we can join, self join with the same table, and how we can compare. We learned how we can use DATEDIFF function in SQL and compare the same table with the same record. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this.